don't change up. Alright. If you never talk to me last year, this year when you see me, keep the same energy. And if you never support the thing, don't clap when the wind down, keep the same energy.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, and people wanna keep the same energy. You see me? You see, that song for me are the first hit for me in a 2019. You see me? Because I see that song as hit from 2018. Song is called Keep the Same Energy by No Power. You see me? I love that song. I know. Probably show it a appeal to me. You see me? I want some people the same energy where them keep last year towards me, I want to keep that. So guess what? If you keep one positive energy towards me, just keep that positive energy there. You see, if your energy did negative last year and you did doubtful like doubtful Thomas, then guess what? Keep that same energy there anyway still. Today, we want to talk about a bag of topics, but first, we are going to talk about D-Angel. And D-Angel are continuing the same energy from 2018 into 2019 because she's still a shade spice. And this is what D-Angel uploaded on her Instagram page today. Check it out. So people, we can look at this two ways. Either the angel is high like a kite, or the angel is just simply unbothered and she just make whatever on the t-shirt say it all. You see me? So basically she tell Spice a big F you. And the people might say, why you feel like say a Spice it aimed that? Well, in case you live under a rock, Spice this the angel wicked and talk up a bag of things last Saturday on her live, and I say yo, the angel did a big Spice for your song and all these things. You see me? Me do a review on it and you can check it out. But instead, the angel react like what Spice did, as in react on social media or stuff like that. She just upload them little clips here, you see me? So right, like no way I see, she a spin her roll and spin off the crosses them. And all these things, you see me? All know she no reply direct to Spice. But let me know what you think in the comment section below. You feel say that beef yeah, don't really make no sense, or you feel say Spice wrong and she dep on a high horse and people just wait for she drop off. You see me? Me no know. Me know what you think in the comment section. So Vybz Kartel, yeah, the guys are done. The man will get the most streams last year, 2018, that is, according to the Jamaica Star. Well, on New Year's night, the man drop a banger. Vybz Kartel drop a bad song. He come like say him a kick off back the year, like how him do it last year with Yabba Dabba Do and Underwater and all these things. But check it out. Vybz Kartel, boom it off.
Boom it off, boom it off. Boom it off, boom it off. Boom it off, boom it off. Can you do it slow, can you do it fast? Boom it off, boom it off. Boom it off, boom it off. Boom it off, boom it off. Fuck you now, your hole, slap you on your ass.
So from you're young to dancehall, you know the sound there, and that's the authentic dancehall sound from back in 1990 and the 80s. Not the 80s, Chaddy, you gone too far. But I guess you don't know what I mean. You see me? If you notice Underwater sound and the sound here, like them sound similar with the authentic drum pattern them. You see me? And at that, me see Vybz Kartel a set back that trend the inner dancehall. You see me? I give them back the authentic sound them. So I feel like say that song I go be a good song. I feel like say that song I go be a hit song and all those things. Yo, it just dropped today and it get couple thousand well. Me not have the figure in front of me, but couple thousand well views, and I think it's on trending as well. Well, Vybz Kartel we are talk about, you know. No. So people, wanna check out a little bit more at Boom It Off.
Ever in a style, anything you wear. Clean every day, no dirt fi spare. You want no the girl when leg friend around here. So no bitch can't say she coulda ever compare. Fuck out that ear, them a borrow girl ear. And a try size up your nose, say she want here. Tell your body dear, luxury than the price dear. Sit down you no ear, sit down panic like fear.
So last year, we noticed Vybz Kartel do a lot of collab, but one notable thing is that all of the collab them are with female artists. So we see Vybz Kartel I try push some female artists. You know, artists like Lola Smiles, Judy Couture, etc. etc. You know them. You see me? So me don't know if who no see, but me see Vybz Kartel they on a recruiting campaign because me see Vybz Kartel go on the girl your page and a slide in her DM, so to say. This away Vybz Kartel comment on the girl page. And before me show you where Vybz Kartel comment, let me show you the post where him comment pan.
I'm full of style, full of flavor. You don't know, say me a lyrical savior giving you some freestyle for my free time. Ready? Yeah, Mela aka good vagina. Every fucking day me look nicer. A girl say she at you know just for the cyber. See them in a real life and them no match the pics neither no ride or die. But your man say me a rider. I'm a know for girl one they got you like a spider. Sit pretty pan it like say a recliner. Your man say you're boring girl. You a eyeglass. My ex big mad cause him can't style a styler. You no rate me, man no rate you neither. Me no really talk too much. Me might fuck and cut. Cause me no play the bun game. Me no light. Big up the girl them way a BOSS. Never beat a car, you know God love you endless. I your pussy well blessed, collect your own cash. I your check if a boy raise him voice, him a get to play free talk. Yeah, real talk.
So after me watch that video, me see what Vybz Kartel want to meet in that girl. Me see why Vybz Kartel slide in that girl DM. Yeah man, him slide in our DM, and after him slide in our DM, him comment under our video and is like, me don't know if probably she dey far from our phone or what because of Vybz Kartel we are talk about. Him make a post and tell the Gaza nation say for rush our page and carry her over the Gaza part, you see me, because him want know her, you see it. He make that post there on film Instagram, you see me, but meanwhile, me a pray the Instagram post cause he make a screenshot. Me notice a service Vybz Kartel depend on a Wi-Fi. Anyway, still people, Gaza Nation, wanna make me know how the girl here sound. You see me? If the girl here sound good, if the girl here Gaza ready, or what? You see me? But for me, I feel so she can be a star, a Gaza star. You see me? So let me know what you think in the comment section. Next topic we are gonna talk about Munga drop the video for Namad over. I say it name. And Namad, me never know where it name, you know. But a boy like me, we Namad, no.
We Namad over no girl. Cause a boy like we Namad, no. We Namad over no girl. Coulda pretty like Kale and spend enough money, no. We Namad over no girl.
Yeah, people, me like that song, yeah, and me love the video. The video just seal it off. And you see that song, yeah? That song, yeah, is a little neat, little hit when enough people talk about last year, you know. That song, yeah, is a song when enough people try grown last year, but them can't grow on that song, yeah, you see me? Because that song, yeah, a solid hit. And for this year, I hope to see more Munga. You see me, because Munga a bad artist from a long time. And for those who don't know Munga, remember say Munga sing that song, but it made the earth shake, it's like an earthquake. And a string, a hits on top of hits. That was back in like 2007, 2006. And in a them time, there was Munga time. Munga did a range. Yes, yeah. Yo, yeah, man. Me and the artist. Me and make Munga do it. You see me? But that video, yeah, I like it. And you see that little part in that video, yeah, are my favorite part. Who know watch that style, yeah?
Cause a boy like we Namad, no. We Namad over no man. Coulda pretty like Kale and spend enough money, no.
Movie says you know mad over no man. Me no wrong here. In a year, all days, me no expect you feel mad over no man. You see me? Anyway, still, that's it for today, or that's it for now, I should say. You see me? So if you like this video, just do the right thing and give it a thumbs up. And if you don't, just probably tell me in the comment section why you don't like the video. Because me feel say it's a bad video. And tell me what you think about the songs them when we talk about today. And all of the topics them when we talk about out today. Tell me what you think in the comment section. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. You see it? And people, don't forget my host a Monday night show every Monday. This and every Monday at 8 o'clock. You can just check me out live. You see me? Where we discuss dancehall topic and other trending topic as well. And each and every week we have a special guest. You don't want to miss that. You see me? So just check me out on the Chaddy Murray TV live every Monday night at 8 o'clock. Set to no phone from now. You see me? And big up to all of my subscribers them. It's been a long journey. You see it? But what? You see 2019? For me. Just call it 2019. You see me? I'm out.
Just keep the same energy. Success start show them want draw close. Like a them melt the most. But disappear and ghost them can't compose. With dirty yard clean clothes. Me only want real people around me. The ones alone them surround me. Family where we struggle together. Can't call you a friend, me have to call you a brother, yo.